welcome, guys. This is KOK Party Favors, bringing to you a beautiful Mother's Day basket that I'm assembling for my mom. All right, guys, we're first going to start with this big old stuffed animal. I did a big haul at Walmart after Valentine's Day, and I had a lot of stuffed animals. And when my mom came over, I told her, I said, look in there and see, because she likes stuffed animals. I said, look in there and find you something you like. And she picked this sloth. So that's what's in the basket for her. And I also have a watering can that I made for her with my Cricut machine. We both love gardening. And so I made her this beautiful watering can. And I had to put something in there that was just handmade by her sweet daughter. Okay, guys. Then I got her the Tutti Frutti shower gel, hand soap, and the body cream. I also got her a hair bonnet, facial cleanser. These are rose-shaped soaps. This is a Betty Crocker mug treat. I think this is a neat idea. You make it in the microwave, and all you need is a coffee cup. So I have her little coffee cup. It has the frosting and everything included, so I think she'll like that. I want to add something sweet to the basket. Okay, now we have our prayer cards, and the most important thing, the Holy Bible. All right, and now we have a watch, necklace, and bracelet set. And the necklace says Mom. Then we have a beautiful cross. Okay, and I have her a water bottle here in the back. And then I put her a pear cider in the back. All right, and I'm not going to seal it with cellophane just yet because I have so many other items I want to add to it that are in transit in the mail. Okay, guys, so this is a large box. She loves these large boxes. She always said, I wanted some gifts in some big boxes. So please like, share, comment, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gives you ideas on making a Mother's Day basket for your mom. All right, please like, share, comment, subscribe.